Okay, hey everyone. So, the main question from this week, like the prompt and everything, is what is worth teaching? So, oops, I clicked that by accident. Okay. So the question that I'm going to focus on today is how do I find what is important to teach? So basically what I got out of the peer review or the peer discussions is that you have to be conscious of the world around you, like the readings say, and that you are able to determine the benefits of the concepts you teach. So basically just being wide awake in life and being aware of your surroundings and what you should be teaching is a very important thing. And also what I got from this is that the Holy Ghost is a very good tool to have, and I feel like in teaching whatever subject or whatever in life, the Holy Ghost is a very good tool in order to help you decide what is important to teach as well. And the criteria given through the school is also a good tool to have, so it helps you build a basis and a foundation of what you should be teaching. And I think that's it. And I got a lot of other stuff too, but this is the bulk of it all.